Yeah, I know that I'm the shit. Yeah, I know she was your bitch. Yeah, it's something about the wrist. Yeah, we driving fast as shit. Don't ever think about passing me. Always move with a sack on me. I always smell like gas on me.
And anyways, we are going to do the rear sway bar on Mario's R. He picked up an APR rear sway bar. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do the rear sway bar. I don't know, that might be the only thing we do for this video. I'm not sure yet, but obviously I'll update you if we decide to move on to anything else. All right, well, I guess they're all chicken to back their car up on ramps, so we gotta put the car up on ramps and then we're good to go. All right, guys. Shit. All right, guys, so I know in the last clip I said we were gonna start working on Mario's rear sway bar, but it was like 90 degrees out. It's the first time it's been that hot for us this year. So, yeah, did not get it done. Didn't even try. Just fucking called it a day. So, I'm gonna pick up where we left off. The car's on the ramps, and I'm gonna get started. We're gonna take this sway bar in link out. Same thing for the other side. Then I gotta drop these triple squares. These triple squares back here. Fuck. Gotta pull these triple squares off right here and drop the exhaust right here, the muffler section, so that the sway bar drop down. So I'm using this stubby triple square. Just plugs into a 12mm socket. This is a M10, and I already see the problem here. I need a short one. Alright, let's try this again. Bro, still too big. What the fuck are you thinking? Come on, dude. First fucking day. Alright, attempt number fucking 15. Is easy enough. Alright. I have all the triple squares removed. Uh-oh, what's that? Let me see. Get out of the way. I have all the triple squares removed. And the sway bar in link out. So as you see, man, dude, honestly, I don't know if this thing's blurry or not, or if it's like the heat or something. All right, let me get this side out. These are not really fun. All right, boys, the sway bar is out. I have to put the new bushings on, put some grease on them, switch these metal collars over to this one. Gotta lube these up. So, I ran into an issue with getting the sway bar end links off, so Mario picked up some Super Pro rear sway bar end links. So we'll throw these in, and the rear sway bar will be done. Alright guys, so the rear sway bar is on. We'll get a reaction from Mario, how he likes it. Let's see what we can see. I had to end up using some grease because one of the bushings was getting caught, so all that white shit is grease, but here you go, APR sway bar. I set it to the least aggressive setting just for now. If he wants to change it, we'll change it. But I believe the inner one, wait a minute, that's the one I wanted, I think. Let's see, raise the bar up higher. Well, I don't know, I'll have to look it up, but yeah, so yeah, so there's the bar. Hold on, let me zoom out. I accidentally zoomed in. There we go. So rear sway bar. And then we'll see how he likes it. Oh, rear sway bar with the Super Pro inlinks. So it's actually, this is the third day I've worked on this because I've been dealing with like time restrictions and stuff and just not wanting to be here because it's been like 92 degrees. But yeah, I'm gonna take it off the ramps.
I saw that guy like try and pull out in front of you guys, and he looked at you and like was cussing under his breath. I'm like,
was he?
Like, you're the
dude. He was the one blowing the stop sign on a bicycle.
Yeah, exactly. Fucking treat a bicycle like a damn auto.
All right, Mario. So we need a little review of the sway bar. Oh God!
I thought you were turning, bro.
Jesus! God, I think you just drifted. Fucking it.
I'm over here leaning.
Oh my God. Yo, too bad Lord and Road isn't like how it used to be.
That shit would have been tight. If we got in a crash, I'd be fucked up. Richard over here fucking moving with the car and shit.
Richard would survive though, because you know, when you're all limber and loose, nothing happens.
He's one with the golf R.
That's what we had to learn skateboarding. If you're falling, just fall.
Like yeah.
You just gotta fall.
You gotta fall like a cat, bro.
You can't try and save yourself. That's when you get fucked up.
Naturally, you just roll into it.
You just have you're just like a Goombay pebble where you're like this dude right here.
Fuck hard. That's why I broke my arm, because I wasn't used to fucking rolling and falling and shit. Fucking 6 years later.
You hit the fucking Goombay pebbles,
Yeah,
little ass
pebbles,
rocks that hit your two fucking wheels and throw you off the fucking front of the skateboard.
I fucking mentioned that shit to somebody. He's like, what is a Goombay pebble?
Goombay pebble, bro.
You obviously don't fucking watch skate videos.
Bro, you don't fucking skate, bro. Skater die, bro. Woo! Mario's ready for the track. Woo!
Hey, my KO4's faster though.
Uh-oh.
All with no gas.
That break it to
Oh, yeah, we're out of gas like fuck.
Shut him.
Hey, Franken Turbo.
Mario's gonna walk your ass with a stock Golf R, Max.
It's not stock.
What?
This is stock.
Yeah, it's got a fucking downpipe.
Not stock.
Okay, but it's not tuned.
Cool guy. Oh yeah.
So how you like the sway bar?
Oh shit.
It is awesome.
Zoom in on the red.
Awesome.
Red
Sweet. What?